Today I have a microphone, and it's the ELGATO Wave 3. Content creators are well aware of the ELGATO brand, which is currently one of the brands that produce the best equipment for YouTubers and professional content creators. I will bring you about this microphone, the unboxing, demonstrations, tests, comparison with other microphones, reviews and opinions to get to know everything about this microphone. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. You can expect a lot of content produced with this new microphone. Demonstrating even more the ability to regulate the capture sensitivity, we start a recording. It's at medium sensitivity, but we lower to its minimum. The capture is very low. We increase a little and already captures more. Position 3 captures even more. Position 4 captures more and more. Position 5 even more so. Position 6, if you are talking very close to the microphone or far from the microphone, you can adjust it. And also we have position 7, which is the maximum, which is already blowing. Therefore, we regulate directly on the microphone the ability to control the sensitivity. We have three options. The first is the microphone. The LED is on the microphone symbol. If we press it, it changes to the second option. Let's just stop the recording. We have the second option, which are the headphones, which you can also adjust the volume. We have 8 intensities with 7 LEDs, because it has the 0 position. 0 volume, so 8 intensities for each option. The headphones are connected on the back, and then you can adjust the intensity of the volume you want to hear. We have the last option, which is the mixing. We press to select, and we adjust it to one of the modes. Here you don't change the intensity, but to one of the options. That when you connect to a DAC on a computer, we can choose that. And it's selected like this. If you press it again, you go back to the microphone option, where you can regulate the recording capture sensitivity. So that's how the control dial works. To configure, you turn and press to choose one of the options and then adjust the intensity. You will see that this control dial is very useful. This was another video about the microphone ELGATO Wave 3, but there will be more videos about this microphone. I will cover everything about this equipment, from the unboxing, seeing what comes in the box, demonstrating how it works, how to connect, audio quality tests, comparisons with other microphones, review and opinion, to get to know everything about this microphone so you can decide if this is the best microphone for you, because the price is high. And in case you haven't noticed, this video is being recorded with the ELGATO Wave 3. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this microphone, write in the comments.